Today we are discussing about the HCU Hyderabad Central University model papers. In that we are discussing about Animal Biotechnology model paper of 2019. And in that it consists of part A. The question paper consists of part A and part B. And each question carries 1 mark. And the negative mark of 0.33 is deducted for each wrong answer. Hence first, for answering the question you must take A. And first in the first part A, the first question, the nucleosome consists of. Nucleosome consists of, what is nucleosome? The structural organization of chromosome, and it consists of histone protein, and the histone proteins of H1, H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 are present, and H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 are of two copies each of H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 are present, and H1 is wrapped around these proteins, and that H1 consists of 146 base pairs DNA. Hence, the option C is correct for the first question. Nucleosome consists of 146 base pair DNA wrapped around two copies each of H2A, H2B, H3 and H4. Next, coming to the second question. An example of hemimetabolous and insect. For this, Onchopeltis fasciatus, it is the answer. A is the answer for the second question. And next, which of the following compounds have highest dipole moment? Highest dipole moment and charging particle, and that for that chloromethane. Chloromethane have the highest dipole moment. And the next question, fourth question, what is autophagy? Autophagy is facilitated by autophagy. Cell organelles. In the cell organelles, autophagy comes, and in the lysosomes have the capability of autophagy and heterophagy. What is autophagy? Self-phagocytosis of particles, and heterophagy is also another function of lysosome. Hence, autophagy is facilitated by lysosomes, and hence C option is the correct for the fourth question. And the next one, fats and oils are. Fats and oils are. Fifth one, fats and oils are triesters of glycerol. Fats and oils are the esters of glycerol center. And here the triesters of glycerol or fats and oils. And next, sixth question, function of GABA in central nervous system. GABA means gamma aminobutyric acid. And what is the function of gamma in central nervous system? And for this, neuronal inhibition. It acts as a neurotransmitter and inhibitory neurotransmitter. GABA acts as a inhibitor neurotransmitter. Hence, the option A is the correct one for the sixth question, neuronal inhibition. And next, the total entropy of the university. Entropy means, what is entropy? Entropy means disorderness of particles. And here, what is the total entropy of the universe is always increasing. That means disorderness is called as entropy. Here, the entropy of the universe is always increasing. And next, eighth question, malaria is transmitted by one of the following species of mosquito. Malaria, Anopheles mosquito. Anopheles mosquito is causes the malaria, and hence for the eighth question, option is the C. And next, ninth one, polymerase chain reaction was invented by, you know already this, Caramolase. And next, for this, option A is the correct. For the ninth question, option A is the correct one. And for the 10th question, which one of the following compounds will give a positive iodoform test? Chemistry. So chemistry, which one of the following compounds will give a positive iodoform test? And for this, correct answer is pentanone. 2-pentanone. And next, 11th one, which one of the following is an animal steroid? What is animal steroid? Cholesterol is the animal steroid. What is the animal steroid? Cholesterol. For the 11th one, option D is the correct answer. And next for the 12th one, the SI unit of radioactivity. Radioactivity, it can be measured in terms of becquerel anta. Becquerel, SI unit of radioactivity is becquerel. For the 12th question, answer is becquerel. And next 13th one, all of the following are CD4 plus cells except CD4 plus cells entama. CD4 plus cells and T helper cells entam. T helper cells came from the macrophages and monocytes entam. Hence these three are the correct, and except here T cytotoxic cells. T cytotoxic cells are called CD8 plus cells. Hence this is the wrong one here. Hence for the 13th one, answer is C. For the 13th one, answer is C. CD4 plus cells and T helper cells. CD8 plus into T cytotoxic cells and hence this is the wrong one here. The given options, and C is the exception for the CD4 plus cells. And next for the 14th one, which one of the following metal ions is required for the enzymatic cleavage of type 2 restriction endonucleases? Type 2, any restriction endonucleases, they require the enzyme Ng2 plus. Hence for the 14th one, option B is the correct one. Option B, Mg plus 2. And next for the 15th one, equivalent mass of metal is double that of oxygen. And how many times is the mass of its oxide greater than the mass of the metal? In chemistry question marks, we always come. This is the maybe its answer is for the 15th one 1.5 times. Answer is 1.5 times. You can solve it. Okay. Next 16th one, invertebrates breathe through. Invertebrates breathe through gills and skin. Invertebrates breathe through gills and skin. Option B is the correct answer. Next for the 17th one, which group of vertebrates have highest number of endangered species? For this, mammals. Endangered species, mammals have highest number of endangered species. For the 17th one, mammals is the correct option. Next, Brunner's glands are present in. Brunner's glands are present in submucosa of duodenum. Intestinal layers from them are Brunner's glands, and in the submucosa of duodenum, it consists of Brunner's glands. Submucosa of duodenum of intestine consists of Brunner's glands. And next for the 19th one, chromatography is a technique based on. What is chromatography? Chromatography is based on. Tell me the basis. For the 19th one, option is A. It is the absorption and then dispersion of solute. ఇక్కడ already మనకి solvent material తీసుకుంటాం. Cellulosic material paper is used as the absorbent, and for this the solute is allowed onto the paper for the distribution based on the relative front and top. And here absorption and then dispersion of solute occurs in chromatographic technique. Hence option A is the correct one. And next for the 20th one, immortal jellyfish belongs to. Immortal jellyfish belongs to Coelenterata. Coelenterata. Okay. Next for the 21st one, and 1.2 kb fragment of DNA has unique site for E carbon at 400 base pair and PST1 site at 550 base pair. If this restriction digested with these two NM, this CTAC fragments will be generated. And 1.2 kb fragment of DNA. 1.2 kb fragment of DNA means ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది 400 plus 550. Okay, 400, 550 and 650 base pair fragments will be generated. 650 fragments will be generated. Option C is the correct one. Option C is the correct one. And next, cyclic ether with 3-membered ring or called. Cyclic ether with 3-membered ring or called oxirates. cyclic ether with 3-membered ring are called auxiliaries. Okay, next 23rd one, select mismatch option. Great ma. Fimbriae say conjugation ఏంటి delay అంట. And next middle lamella is made up of mainly వచ్చేసి pectate materials అంటాం, లిగ్నిన్ ఉండదు. middle lamella consists of calcium and magnesium pectates అంటాం. Hence these two options, cilia 9+2 arrangement and centrio 9+0 arrangement. Here the mismatch options are of 2, and first this is a C option is the mismatch option, that is Fimbriae conjugation called Fimbriae they become responsible ఏంటి, and Fimbriae sets pili are responsible for conjugation అంటాం, and here the Fimbriae are not responsible for conjugation, hence this is the mismatch option, and D is also the mismatch option. And next 24, the number of double-stranded DNA copies obtained from one double-stranded DNA template after 7 cycles of PCR are. But this option B is the correct answer. 128. How many copies are present after 7 cycles? It is 128. 128. And next 25th one. For the 25th one, the electron in the hydrogen atom drops from the N06 to N equal to 6 to the N4 level. The radiation emitted is in this series of lines in the spectrum of atomic hydrogen. A series from N6 to N4 level ante. Here option bracket series is the correct one. And next, coming to the part B, 26th one, a living fossil found only in New Zealand is. Tatara. Option A is the correct option. Option B. And next, in 27, in arterial blood, CO2 is majorly transported as. Bicarbonates. In the form of bicarbonates, blood is transported mainly in arterial blood. And next, for the 28th one, hypocalcemia is caused due to the undersecretion of parathyroid hormone in the actually this is parathyroid hormone. It regulates the calcium levels in the body. That is a parathyroid hormone, and called hypocalcemia is caused due to undersecretion of parathyroid. And next, for the 29th one, when ethylene glycol is heated with concentrated HNO3, it forms. When ethylene glycol is heated with concentrated HNO3, it forms. And for this, oxalic acid is the correct option. And next, for the 38th one, red tides are caused by large number of dinoflagellates. They emit light, fluorescence light. Dinoflagellates, they cause the red tides. And next, for the 31st one, DNA is highly viscous because of large ratio of length versus diameter. DNA is highly viscous. Option A is the correct one for this. And next, 32, the temperature to which a gas must be cooled before it can be liquefied by compression is called. The temperature to which a gas must be cooled before it can be liquefied by compression is called critical temperature. And next, 33 one, chaperone does one of the following functions. What are chaperones? Heat shock proteins and what are chaperones? They cause the refolding of protein in endoplasmic reticulum. They cause the refolding of protein. Hence, option B is the correct one. Option B is the correct one for the 33. Next 34th question. Chromosome painting technique is also known as fish technique. Chromosome painting technique is also known as fish technique. Fish. Okay. Next 35th one. Which one of the following is not related to bacteriophage? Which one of the following is not related to bacteriophage? Bacteriophage. Plasmids అనేవి కదమ్మా. డిఫరెన్స్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. Phasmids means bacteriophages. Cosmids means these are also bacteriophage vectors. Bacterial artificial chromosomes. BAC means bacterial artificial chromosomes. And here plasmids and bacterial artificial chromosomes, they do not relate to bacteriophage. Hence option A and option D both are not related to bacteriophage. Plasmids and bacterial artificial chromosomes. And next for the 36th one. As heat is removed from a liquid which tends to supercoat, its temperature drops below freezing point and then rises suddenly. What is the source of heat which causes a temperature rise? Enthalpy means enthalpy and data. What is enthalpy? Enthalpy means change in the heat content and time. Here heat changes occur. First the heat is removed from a liquid which tends to supercoat. When first heat is removed from a liquid, then it tends to supercoat. That means its temperature drops below the freezing point and then rises suddenly. What is the source of heat which causes the temperature rise? Here for this enthalpy of fusion, the enthalpy of fusion that causes the temperature rise. That means A option is the correct one. And next, antibiotic which can inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis. Bacterial cell wall synthesis is inhibited by the penicillin. 37th one. For the 37th one, C option is the correct one. And next for the 38th one, isopropyl alcohol reacts with acidic sodium dichromate to give. Isopropyl alcohol reacts with acidic sodium dichromate to give acetone. Isopropyl alcohol reacts with acidic sodium dichromate to give acetone. And next 39th one, the symbiotic relationship between barnacles and whale seals. Symbiosis అంటేనే ఆల్రెడీ మీకు మేము వస్తున్నామా, మ్యూచువలిజం, కమెన్సలిజం, దీస్ ఆర్ symbiotic relationships అంటాం. And here for the 39th one, the symbiotic relationship between barnacles and bees is commensalism. That means here one is the affected, one is the normal one. That is a commensalism. And next 48th one. For the 40th one, meiosis arrest in ovary happens at meiosis arrest in division arrest in ovary happens at diploid of meiosis 1. Diploid phase of meiosis 1. Diploid phase of meiosis 1. And next 41. One of the following is an egg-laying mammal. One of the following is egg-laying mammal. Tachyglossus. Tachyglossus is a egg-laying mammal. And next 42. An azeotropic solution of two liquids has a boiling point lower than either of them when a azeotropic solution of two liquids has a boiling point lower than either of them when it shows positive deviation from Rolle's law. Positive deviation, partial pressure మీద వస్తున్నాం, ఇది shows positive deviation from Rolle's law. And next 43 one, all are non-essential fatty acids except all are non-essential fatty acids except linolenic acid. Linolenic acid is an essential fatty acid and these all are non-essential fatty acids. And next 44th one, the storage form of carbohydrate in liver carbohydrate is stored in the form of glycogen. That means here option A is the correct one. And next for the 45th one, the migration of positively charged colloidal particles under an electrical field towards the cathode. The migration of positively charged colloidal particles under an electrical field towards the cathode, that is called as a cataphoresis. Cataphoresis. Okay, it is sedimentation anama. Electroosmosis kuda radu. Dialysis means here based on the size also come. Here electric field means here cataphoresis is the option. That is the correct option for the 45th one. And next for the 46th one, baculovirus expression system can be best used in insect vectors, insect cells is best used in insect cells. Baculovirus vectors are used in insect cell expression systems. And next for the 47th one, Kochak-Consent sequence was originally defined as Kochak-Consent sequence ACC-AUGG. ACC-AUGG. That is the correct sequence for the Kochak-Consent sequence. And next for the 48th one, when an ideal gas expands in vacuum, work done is. For the 48th one, D is the option. When an ideal gas expands in vacuum, work done is 0. And next for the 49th one, the formula representing exponential growth rate of your population. The formula in the exponential growth rate of your population, and that is the 49th one for the C option. dN by dt equal to Rn. It is the number of cells that are grown per particular time. That represents the total number of cells in that. That is the formula representing the exponential growth rate of a population. Hence option C is the correct one. And next, priming function in glycogen synthesis is carried out by. The priming function in glycogen synthesis is carried out by. For this glycogenin is the initial factor and it is the primer that is required for the glycogen synthesis.